A great way to upload a PowerPoint presentation to Moodle is to turn it into a video. This really provides a seamless lecture or presentation experience for students. What you need to do in order to do this is to make sure that you have everything on the slides. So here, for example, I have a sound file, and here on my next slide, I've got these animations that are going to come up. And then over here, I've got another sound file, and I just added a sound file to each of the other slides. So what I want to do with these, when I click on the sound file, notice if I go to playback, I have this, I'm going to actually set it to automatically. So the sound files, unless you want them to delay for some reason, it's a good idea to make sure that you have the playback set to start automatically. And then I've set the triggers of the animations to just for them to be triggered just by my clicking. So now what I do is I go to the home screen, and I am going to use the command under slideshow to rehearse timings. Now when I click this, PowerPoint is going to begin recording everything that happens in the slideshow. So it's going to record the sound, it's going to record the animations, it's going to record everything, as though when the student sees it, they're not going to have to click or do anything because my clicks are going to be recorded. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to click Rehearse Timings, and then I'm just going to watch the show, giving the right time that I would for students to process what's on the screen or to play through the narrations. And notice that at the end, I did tell PowerPoint to remember the timings. Because I'm working in Zoom with a microphone that's competing with the PowerPoint sound, I wasn't able to grab those sounds at the end for you to listen to. Now what I'll do, now that I've saved this recordings, I've rehearsed and saved my timings, rehearsed timings, I'm going to go over here to the File menu, and I'm going to choose Export. This is where I'll turn my PowerPoint into a video. I'll choose to create a video, and then I just leave the choices as they are. The presentation quality at the highest, and I'm going to use the recorded timings and narrations. Now I'll click this button, and it is recording. It's given the video a name and the type of file, and I'm going to click Save. Now you'll notice down here I'll see a little progress tracker as this video is being constructed. Remember that it is converting and blending the sound and the video and the animations together, so it's not instantaneous like it would be a PDF or another file type. I'm going to pause this recording while PowerPoint finishes. This should only take a couple of minutes because it's not a very long file. So you can see the progress tracker is gone, and that means that my file, my PowerPoint file, has been saved. Now I'm going to go back over to Moodle and upload that and embed that file, that video file that I created. So I'm in Moodle, and I'm going to click here to turn edit mode on, and I'm going to add the video right under the sample PDF PowerPoint that I uploaded previously. So I'll click Add an Activity or Resource, and once again I'll choose File from the menu. This I'm going to call the video version of PowerPoint. And I'm going to scroll down and use the file picker to grab my file. Here it is. I'm going to upload the file. Now that I've uploaded it, I'm going to choose the appearance, and here I'm going to tell Moodle to embed it. I don't need to show the size or the resource description. Now I'll click Save and Return to Course. You'll see over here the video version has been added. I'm going to go back and click on the folder name here, and I'm going to close edit mode so you can preview this from the student perspective. Now I'll click Video Version of PowerPoint here, and you can see that my video is embedded here on the page. I can click play and I can expand it. I have a slider at the bottom of the screen I can drag forward, and you can see it's working its way through the video. So as you can see, this allows for the students to view your lecture or PowerPoint presentation right within Moodle without having to download the file.